Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and go into the settings. Scroll down to storage, where you should see your SD card. Tap on it, and from here you want to tap on the three dots and go to storage settings, where you should see the option to format. When you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove basically all the data from the SD card. So if there's anything on the card that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before. And if you have already done it or don't want to back it up, then completely disregard this message and tap on Format SD card. So we'll begin the process, and it's a fairly quick one. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.